Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to have a little look at the NGT Double Grill Pan. It's something that I've purchased recently and took on the Kevamabli trip with me. So I thought I'd show you it. If you're interested in buying it, you might want to see what it's like, what I think of it, and what the features are. But yeah, we'll take a look at it together. So this is it. This is the NGT grill pan, the double grill pan. It comes in two sections and it's got a magnet on the handle that holds it in place. It creates quite a nice seal when it's closed. The rubber on the shallower pan gives a nice little seal there. I've got this little grill shelf that I put in the shallower pan to cook pizza on when we were at Kevamabli. When you get the pan, they are two separate pans, and the shallower and the deeper one, they do separate. When you buy it, there is I don't know if you can make it out, there's a clip holding things in place there. So at this moment, these don't separate, it's held in place. But that clip can be removed, which we'll try and do. I'm not sure how I can do it on camera. But there is a clip there which we'll try and remove now, and I'll show you that the two pans separate. Let's give that a go. So this is the little clip that is holding it in place, and I'll see if I can remove it now off camera. And that is the little sort of clip that holds things together. It can be a little bit fiddly to get off, but once you've got it off, it goes on easy and comes off easy from that point in. So with that clip removed then, these two pans, they do separate quite easily, and you can wiggle it out. It's difficult to do with the camera, obviously, in my hand. And then you've got these two pans. You've got this shallower pan with the rubber seal on it, and you've got this deeper pan, and you can use them as two separate pans, or you can keep them together and use them as one big pan, which is what we did. And then it clips in quite easily. You can choose to leave that clip out or put it back in. I took it out while we were on the trip, and I've put it back in since I've got home. It keeps it together, and I didn't want to lose the clip, so it's up to you what you do. But yeah, it does unclip. You can put the clip in or leave it out. So yeah, that's what the pan looks like. It's got a hole on the back that allows steam through when it's cooking, which I thought was quite handy. So when you opened it up, you didn't get a face full of steam. Obviously you do still get steam when things are cooking, but less so because of that hole on the back. All in all, I think it's a good pan. A removable handle probably would be a good addition to it, although I'm not too bothered by that. It does fit in the front pouch of my rucksack, so it's not too much of a problem. So yeah, overall, I'm happy to recommend it. I can't remember exactly what I paid. I think it was between 20 and 24 pound. I think it's really good value, and I think NGT have done a decent job of it. So yeah, if you're looking for a new pan, I think this one's pretty good. You might not like the fact it's got a fixed handle, but that doesn't bother me too much. So thank you guys for watching. If you do enjoy the videos, please give them a like. And subscribe to the channel. That would be really helpful if you could do that. Even feel free to comment below, that would be good as well, to touch base with some of you guys. Let's take a look at the pan in action. But thank you very much for watching. Appreciate it, and take care. We'll see you soon. All the best.